Hi students, we have learned addition of fractions, subtraction of fraction. Now we will learn multiplication of fractions. So from that, first we will see multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. So see students, for that we have to use a formula. Here, if a whole number, it is multiplied by fraction. If in this example is given, then you have to use this formula. Whole number multiplied by numerator of a fraction upon denominator of a fraction. So we will see example of it. So look here a whole number. 5 is a whole number. 4 upon 3 is a fraction. Now we have to use this formula. Whole number multiplied by numerator. So here whole number is 5 multiplied with the numerator 4. 5 multiplied by 4 upon denominator of a fraction we have written here 3. 5 4s are 20, 20 upon 3. But we have to reduce it into lowest term. So we divide 20 by 3. So here we divide 20 by 3. We get 6 as a quotient and 2 as a remainder. So we write this improper fraction into mixed fraction as here quotient 6 write as a whole number, remainder 2 write as a numerator, and divisor 3 write as a denominator. So we get here 6 2 upon 3. In this way, multiplication of a fraction by a whole number, we have to use this formula, whole number multiplied by numerator of fraction upon denominator of a fraction. Now we will see how to multiply fraction by a fraction. So see, for that we have to use a formula. Look here, product of two fractions. Means if we have to multiply two fractions, then at that time we have to product of their numerator upon product of their denominator. Means we have to multiply numerator of given fraction upon denominator of given fraction. So see its example, 3 upon 5 multiplied by 4 upon 7. These two are fractions. So in this case, we have to multiply its numerator. Here 3 upon 5, its numerator is 3 and 4 upon 7, its numerator is 4. So we have to find product of their numerator. So we multiply 3 by 4. 3 4s are 12. As well as we have to multiply its denominator. Here 3 upon 5, its denominator is 5 and 4 upon 7, its denominator is 7. So we multiply denominator 5 by 7. 5 7s are 35. In this way, here product of two fractions, for that we have to find out product of their numerator upon product of their denominator. So here by multiplying 3 by 5 into 4 upon 7, we get its product 12 upon 35. Now we will solve exercise 7. So let's solve first example. So look here, multiply 3 into 3 upon 4. So students, we have learned multiplication of a whole number by a fraction. So in that you have learned how to multiply a whole number with a fraction. So see here, we will multiply here whole number with a fraction. So look here, so we have learned whole number multiplied with the numerator. So here whole number is 3 and numerator 3. So 3 multiplied by 3 upon denominator of fraction. 3 3s are 9 upon 4. Now we have to reduce 9 upon 4 into its lowest term. So we divide 9 by 4. 4 2s are 8. We get quotient 2 and remainder 1. So we write in mixed fraction as quotient 2 as a whole number, remainder 1 as a numerator, and divisor 4 as a denominator. So here we get its answer 2 1 upon 5. So next example, 2 upon 3 multiplied by 7. Same method we have to follow. follow here also. So here we multiply numerator with whole number. Here numerator is 2 and whole number 7. So we multiply 2 by 7 upon denominator of fraction is 3. 2 sevens are 14 upon 3. Now we have to reduce it into lowest term. So we divide 14 by 3. 3 fours are 12. So we get quotient 4. And subtract 12, we get remainder 2. So we write this improper fraction in mixed fraction as quotient 4 write as a whole number. Remainder 2 write as a numerator. And divisor 3 write as a denominator. So here we get mixed fraction as 4 2 upon 3. Next example, 10 into 4 upon 9. So here we multiply whole number 10 with the numerator 4. 10 multiplied by 4 upon denominator 9. 10 fours are 14 upon 9. So we have to reduce it into lowest term. So we divide 40 by 9. 9 fours are 36. So we get quotient 4 and remainder 4. Now we write this improper fraction as mixed fraction. Whole number, quotient 4 as a whole number. Remainder 4 as a numerator. And denominator 9. Okay. Now we will solve next example. 7 upon 13 multiplied by 26. So here we multiply numerator with the whole number. Here numerator is 7 and whole number 26. So we multiply. And denominator 30 right. Now here students, we know that 13 and 26 they are in table of 30. So we can divide here directly 13 by 26, or by multiplying 26 by 7 we can divide by 30. So here we divide 26 by 13. 13 ones are 13. 13 twos are 26. See student, here we divide 26 by 13. 13 ones are 13. 13 twos are 26. Now here remain 7 into 2. 7 twos are 40. In place of that, you can multiply 26 by 7. You get product and then you can divide by 30. Next, example E. 5 upon 8 multiplied by 3 upon 4. Here multiplication of fraction by a fraction. So you have to learn. You have learned that when we have to find product of fraction, at that time we have to find product of their numerator upon product of their denominator. So here we multiply numerator of first fraction with the numerator of second fraction. So here we multiply 5 by 3 and multiply denominator of first fraction with the denominator of second fraction. So multiply 8 by 4. Now we find its product of numerator. 5 3s are 50 and product of denominator 8 4s are 32. Now 15 and 32. So we get here answer 15 upon 30. Now we will solve next example. 12 upon 17 multiplied by 17 upon 21. Now here also we find product of their numerator upon product of their denominator. So we multiply numerator of first fraction 12 with the numerator of second fraction 7. 12 multiplied by 7. Also we multiply denominator of first fraction 17 with the denominator of second fraction 21. So we multiply 17 by 20. Here 17, 17. So we divide. 17 ones are 17, 17 ones are 17. Now here remain 12 ones are 12 and 21 ones are 21. Now 12 and 21. Now we have to find its HCF. So HCF of 12 and 21 is 3. So we divide 12 and 21 by 3. So by dividing 12 by 3 we get quotient 4. 3 4s are 12. And by dividing 21 by 3 we get quotient 7. 3 7s are 21. So here we get answer 4/7. Next example, 2 3/5 multiply with the 5/9. So here 2 3/5 is a mixed fraction. So first we convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So look here, 2 3/5. So we have learned how to convert mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So we multiply whole number 2 with the denominator 5 and add numerator 3 upon 5. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 3 13. 13 upon 5. See here we convert mixed fraction 2 3/5 as a improper fraction 13/5. So 13/5 into 5/9. Now here we have to find product of fraction. So here we have to find product of their numerator as well as product of their denominator. So we multiply numerator of first fraction 13 with the numerator of second fraction 5 upon denominator of first fraction 5 with the denominator of second fraction 9. Now here 5 5 we divide. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. Remain 13 multiplied by 1 and 9 multiplied by 1. We get 13 ones are 13 and 9 ones are 9. Now we have to reduce it into lowest term. So we divide 13 by 9. 9 ones are 9. So here we get quotient 1 and remainder 4. So we write 13/9 as a mixed fraction. Here quotient 1 as a whole number, remainder 4 as a numerator and divisor 9 as a denominator. So here 13/9 improper fraction we write as a mixed fraction 1 4/9. So that's its answer. Now we will solve next example. 2 2/3 multiplied by 1 2/3. Now these are both mixed fraction. So we will convert it into improper fraction. See first fraction 2 2/3. So we multiply whole number 2 with the denominator 3. 2 multiplied by 3 and add 2 upon 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 2 8. 8/3. Now here we convert 2 2/3 mixed fraction as an improper fraction 8/3. Next fraction is 1 2/3. So here we convert into as an improper fraction. So we multiply whole number 1 with the denominator 3 and add numerator 2 upon 3. 3 ones are 3 plus 2 5. 5/3. Here we converted mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Now we find its product. Now here to find product of fraction we have to find product of their numerator and product of their denominator. So we multiply numerator of first fraction 8 with the numerator of second fraction 5 upon multiply denominator of first fraction 3 with the denominator of second fraction 3. 8 5s are 14 and 3 3s are 9. Now we want to reduce it into lowest term. So we divide 40 by 9. 9 4s are 36. We get quotient 4 and remainder 4. Now we write 40 upon 9 improper fraction as a mixed fraction. So here quotient 4 write as a whole number. Remainder 4 write as a numerator. And divisor 9 write as a denominator. In this way we reduce 40 upon 9 improper fraction as a mixed fraction 4 upon 9. So here we multiply whole number by a fraction as well as we multiply fraction by a fraction.